Excuse me. I guess the whole friendship issue got me a little crazy again. I'll do my best not to...
Oh no, Crazy Twilight is back.
Oh, I'm sorry. You must have confused me with another me!
Alright, I'm sorry. But can you come down now? We have some pony to open and some blind bags. So would you come down?
Oh, yes, I do. And I would love to come over. It's been too long since I've seen you out. Yeah, well...
Twilight, you know you're crazy, right?
Oh, right.
And welcome back, Benji Pops. Today we have an explosion of PONYNESS. A lot of ponies to open and a lot of blind bags. Thumbs up for PONYNESS, new word I invented today. But let's go with some order. Everything, of course, is from My Little Pony. Alright, I completely lost it today together with Twilight Sparkle. Alright, we have some amazing POSABLE ponies to open. And here we have Rainbow Dash and Twilight Sparkle, of course. And then we have a Fluttershy action figure and the Pinkie Pie. Do you call this action figure or this action figure? I don't know. Alright, so I just saw that you download this app called My Little Pony Friendship Celebration, and then you scan their magic mark. So you scan not this one, but this one, and then you can check in your pony at a special My Little Pony party, and I'm gonna make a demonstration for it in another video. Alright, so let's start by unboxing my favorite one. You guessed it right, is Twilight Sparkle. Let's open it up. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna free Twilight from his box. And we are back with Twilight free from his cage, and he's completely posable, very tiny. Look at his wings, so beautiful, and his eyes. I love his eyes so much.
Since I've seen any pony, actually, I'm just thinking about all the fun things we could do because we are...
Oh, shut up, Twilight, please don't start. And here is the hair. It's always messy as usual, but very soft, very soft. And here's how you can pose it. You can pose any way you want, and I've never seen that. And also Twilight comes with a little sipping cap that you can attach to her leg, and the magic spelling book. How cool is this? Alright, who is ready to open a My Little Pony blind bag? And I have never opened one of these before, so I'm actually very excited. Inside you find a pony and a card to collect, and he says that you can find 24 in total. So let's see what we find. But first I'm gonna teach you how to say this in English. So here it says l'amicizia è magica. That means friendship is magical. Friendship is magical. Sorry, I meant to say that. Alright, let's open it up. Dun dun dun! And we find Sweetie Blue. Yes, with a little cupcake. And do you know what's the best combination for a cupcake?
Twilight, I've been in that blind bag forever and ever.
What you want?
I want a Rainbow Dash fizzy cherry splash. Oh my god. Come on, I'm thirsty. It's delicious.
Hey, leave some for me. Alright guys, I've officially gone crazy. So let's stop it here, and I'll see you in part 2 where we're gonna open more ponies and more blind bags, and we're gonna open some shopkins too. And I'll see you next time. Arrivederci.